front of me is Nubia Red Magic Astra gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. You need to begin by opening Settings and tapping on Connected Devices right away. When you're ready, select Connection Preferences and then click on Printing. Now it's time to tap on the Footprint service or any other service you have and wanna use. Don't worry, they all turn on the same way, so tap on yours and make sure this switcher is on. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. If you're having some issues, you can always enable print service and wait for 3 dots to appear at the top right corner. Click on them, select Add Printer, and if your printer supports Wi-Fi direct printing, use gray switcher here. Now you need to tap on Allow in the pop-up for it to work. Click on Find Wi-Fi Direct Printers and let your tablet search for yours. You can also tap on Add Printer by IP address, import it here and connect manually by tapping on Add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!